why the church preserved the Old Testament. Before you accuse that to read is there. Then ask why was it preserved? There is so much information in the Old Testament. Without the Old Testament, it would be very difficult for us to know the genesis of this ideology called God. If I choose to call it an ideology, if the Old Testament just showed up, the new one, if the new one showed up without getting a chance to get a background of the Old Testament, then we don't even know how things started and how things unfolded, how things existed. How did God start his relationship with this creature called man? What was the unaccepted and what was the non-acceptable? What was good and what was bad? And how did the people lived and how did the people related with this God? It would be very difficult. Thank God for the Old Testament, because at least it gives us a background.